towards improver cha-cha line dance. Section 1. It started from the right foot. Walk forward, right foot, left foot. Forward mumble, quarter turn to the right. And then cross, turn a quarter to the left. Sachet, quarter turn to the left. Right foot go, walk, walk. Forward, recover, turn a quarter to the right. And then cross, turn a quarter to the left. Go back, and then sachet, quarter turn to the left. Side, together, side. Section 2. Cross, side rock, cross side. Sailor step, left foot, right foot. Cross, side, recover, cross, side. Sweep behind, together, side. Sweep behind, together, side. Section 3. Cross side, behind, side, cross. And then side rock, quarter turn to the left, forward shuffle. Cross, side, behind, side, cross. Side, turn a quarter to the left, forward, together, forward. Section 4. Full turn to the right, forward shuffle. And then forward rock, together, forward rock. Left foot go back, half turn to the right, another half turn to the right. If you don't do this half turn, full turn, you can just walk, walk. Left foot go forward, forward, together, forward. And then forward, recover, together. Forward, recover. Section 5. Back, back, coaster step. Forward shuffle. Forward pivot half turn to the right. Back, 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 together, forward. Forward, together, forward. Forward pivot half turn to the right. The last section. Forward shuffle, forward pivot half turn to the left. Forward, together, forward. Forward pivot half turn to the left. Then finish the dance here. Restart the dance again. Counting. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Last section, only 4 counts. 1 and 2, 3, 4. The dance has 2 restarts. At the wall 2 and wall 4, only dance up to 36 count.
Strolling along country roads with my baby. It starts to rain, it begins to pour. Without an umbrella, we're soaked to the skin. I feel a shiver run up she breathes.